Hello again, my name is Babak, and in this video we are going to show how we can reuse the saved and trained model in the production level. If you didn't see my previous video, in the previous video we talked about how we can create a sentimental analysis using neural network. We create the sequential model. So we created the sentimental analysis that could analyze the positive and the negative sentence for us and label the predicted model. We save the model that we created here in the developer side, and we need to run the saved model in the production. I created one Jupyter Notebook, the same as our production level development side. Let's call it at the production because we're not going to train the model anymore. We just use of the trained model. It's kind of the stimulation for our production level. We call the same library that needed with the same padding and with the same vocabulary size and embedding dimension that we've been using previously. So we call it, and then we are going to load the tokenizer function that we created and train it, and also the train model as a sequential model. Run it, and we had one dictionary for labeling the positive and negative feedback. So we add here, and the two functions for pre-processing the text because we're already going to work with a new sentence that's come from the internet or any source of the data that we have, and we need to deal with the new text, same as what we've done on the training model. So let's see. We run here and let's see, for example, one review from the Pfizer vaccine. That's very good news that we have a vaccine and we can go back to normal life. So let's see, in order to realize the breaking something, the power of science. So using the science, eventually we can live again. So let's see what does mean the word, whether or not is a positive or negative. So we copy here. Let's copy and production. Let's pass the model here and say, okay, we have this one. And yeah, oh, positive. So good. It's a positive review that hopefully is have some hope for us that we can back to the normal life and go outside again. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video and stay safe and take your time. Have a good day.